You'll find the windshield wiper washer lever to the right of the steering wheel. Rotate the end of the lever to low for low-speed wipers. Turn it to high for high-speed wipers. For some weather conditions, you might want to use the intermittent wiper feature. Just rotate the control to the first position for one of the intermittent settings. You can set the delay cycle anywhere between 1 to 18 seconds, and it varies according to vehicle speed. For washer spray, pull and hold the lever toward you. The spray will stop when you release the lever, and the wiper will operate for 2 more wipe cycles. To activate a single wipe cycle, just pull up on the lever. It's a great way to clear off road mist or spray from a passing vehicle. To activate your rear window wiper, rotate the center of the wiper switch up to the first position. To activate the rear window washer, push the lever toward the instrument panel. The washer pump and wiper will operate as long as you hold the lever. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.